Hi, I'm Dan. Today we're going to transition this into this.
Love the chase, the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Now on to building the shelves. Here I am using 3-inch wood screws to anchor 2x4s onto the wall. These 8-foot 2x4s are a little shorter than the rear wall, but they will work just fine. These sideboards measure 22 inches. This little trick comes in handy if you're working alone. Here I'm cutting 3 pieces of 1/2 inch OSB to 23.5 inches wide. To build your own, you'll need 8 2x4s, 2 sheets of OSB, and some screws. Total cost is about $65. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you got recommendations for future content, drop them as a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the newest content.